Hi guys, welcome back to Planet Mithril. My name is Mithril, and today I am back with Middle-earth University. That is right, the series of videos that breaks down all the rules from our beloved game and gives them over to you in bite-sized chunks so you can learn the game at your own pace. And today I'll be talking through the basic concepts of being within and wholly within in regard to models on the tabletop. Now sometimes, during the course of a game, rules, effects and scenarios may make reference to being within or wholly within a certain measurement or footprint on the battlefield, whether this is a command aura from a heroic hero in the midst of combat, or forces scrabbling to get into range of an objective to score crucial last-minute points. These two terms may seem very similar, but they are in fact very different and very worth clarifying in a little video. A model is considered to be in range of something if any part of the base it sits on is within the stated range. Now this can just be the very edge of the base through to the entire thing. It's important to note that the base sizes are listed on the model's profile, so you cannot change the base size to gain any kind of unfair advantage. When a model needs to be wholly within a stated range, then every single part of that model's base must be within the stated range for it to be considered within. This doesn't include any thematic or grandiose basing that may overhang. This simply refers to the physical part, the physical base that the model is mounted on. If any part of the model's base is not in range, then the model is considered to be out of range for all intents and purposes. And finally, a model is always considered to be wholly within range of itself. Well, there we are. Nice and quick today, but it's worth putting all these little rules out for everyone who does want to learn the game from scratch, so we can clarify with visuals so everyone can see every part of the game that we all love so much. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next Middle-earth University video coming very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.